In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all saved posts on Facebook. If you've been using Facebook for a while, you probably hit that save button a lot, thinking you'll come back to those posts later. Over time, that list can get cluttered with old articles, videos, and random posts you don't really need anymore. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to find your saved posts and clear them out, step by step, using the Facebook mobile app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account whose saved items you want to manage. Once you're on the main home screen, look for the menu icon. This is the button with 3 horizontal lines, usually located in the top right corner of the screen on Android, and sometimes at the bottom right on iPhone, depending on your version of the app. Go ahead and tap that menu icon. When the menu opens, you'll see a list of shortcuts and options, like your profile, friends, groups, and more. If you don't immediately see the saved option here, don't worry. Scroll down a little until you find a button labeled Show More. Tap on Show More to expand the full list of features and tools available in your account. After tapping Show More, look for the Saved option. The icon usually looks like a little bookmark. Tap on Saved, and this will take you to a page where all of your saved content is organized. Here, you'll see your saved links, videos, posts, and collections. Now, Facebook doesn't currently offer a single Delete All button for every saved post at once, so you'll need to remove them one by one or in small batches. To remove a saved post, tap on the 3 dots next to that item, or open the post and look for the Unsave or Remove from Saved option. Tap that, and the post will disappear from your saved list. Repeat this process for each item you no longer want to keep. Take your time and work through your list, focusing on older content or things you know you won't revisit. This will help keep the important saved items easy to find later. Once you're done unsaving the posts you don't need, your saved section will be much cleaner and more manageable, making it easier to use in the future.